Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to insert SIM card and memory SD card in Motorola G85. So here is my Motorola G85 and to insert SIM card and memory card, first you need to look inside the box because we need a little pin from here. Here is the charging cable. Here is the user guide, and here we have the pin. Okay, and with this one we'll remove the SIM tray from the phone. Now let's get this pin, and to remove the SIM tray, first you need to take off this case because phone comes with this case in the box. Okay, and now let's look to the bottom of the phone because here we have the SIM tray, and you need to put this pin inside this hole like this. I hope you see it. Okay, and now just push it and remove the SIM tray. Now let's take a closer look to this SIM tray, and here we can put the SIM one, and on the other side we can put only a memory SD card, so you can't put two SIM cards, two physical SIM cards inside the phone. And let's see how to do it. You need to put a nano SIM, and this is my SIM, and the right position it's like this. And if you rotate the SIM tray, the SIM doesn't have to fall, so it's okay. And now let's put the memory card. Okay, and the memory card, you need to put it like this. Okay, I hope you see it. And now as you can see, the SIM and the memory doesn't fall. Okay, and now let's put the SIM back, and you need to take it like this with the SIM in your front, and just put it here and push it. And here in the top I have the signal. And if you want to use two SIM cards on this phone, you need to go to settings, and here just tap on network and internet. And here we have SIMs and mobile network. Here I have the physical SIM one, and to use another SIM, just tap here, download new SIM, and you need to connect to mobile network and set up an eSIM, and you can use two SIM cards on this phone. Okay, so this was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.